Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. Let's go to analyze the market. This is the AUD USD pair. Okay, this is a high fluctuated market. Okay, we'll place a layer option. Okay, we'll place a layer option. This is a buyer's area, and previously some buyer's entry, again buyer's entry, again buyer's entry. But this buyers after some seller's entry, it's continue the market. This wick make a new low. So that's reason I'll place a layer option. Okay, you can see very strong seller's entry. Have 5 seconds. Okay, this is a winning trade. I'll check the next pair. Okay, I'll place a higher option. So I'm expecting make a retracement candle at this point after this round number. Only I'm seeing only this type of candlestick psychology. So that's the reason I will place a higher option. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's check the next pair. This is a resistance level. Some sellers enter very strongly. But I am not confident at this trade. Okay, I'll place a higher option. So I'm expecting candle make a retracement candle. It's a buyer rejection, and previously this is a continuation sign, and this also some buyer's entry point at this level. So after this breakout, so it's make a some retracement candle, but this is a bearish momentum totally. So most of the times it's make a retracement candle. Let's see. Okay, so there is no buyer's entry after these sellers confirmly make a buyer's entry. Okay, no problem. Okay, we'll place a higher option. So it's make a doji candle. Buyers try to make a bullish candle, but this is a very strong momentum. It's make a doji candle. After this bearish momentum, it's make a doji candle. Confirmly market turn into bullish momentum. Okay, very strong buyer's entry. Okay, have checked the next pair, and this is uptrend market, and this is a market momentum. Okay, but this is a round number. Sometimes are going to make a bearish candle, so I am not place a trade. You can see actually it's continue the market, this type of situation. This is upper level. Again it's make a bearish candle. Okay, let's do. Okay, let's make a late entry. It took 2 minute time. Okay, let's see. And this is a strong bullish candle. So actually I place a trade with margin safety trade. Why? Because previously some sellers entry point at this level, so I'm not looking for trade timing. Okay, let's see. Still this is sellers area and candle closing point at the level. There is a gap. Okay, and this is a very strong sellers area, and this is not a trendy market. Okay, this is a head and shoulder pattern also. Okay, let's see some sellers enter the market. Check the other pair, and this is uptrend market. Okay, this is a sellers area, but there is no decided the sellers and buyers entry. Okay, this is also winning trade. Okay, I'll place a higher option. This candle winning 50-50 chances. Why? Because this is uptrend market, right? And again this is support level, minor support level. I took place a trade. This candle make a new high, so major trend is uptrend market. That's reason I'll place a higher option. And this is also market momentum, and this is a buyer's area. So two types of situation at this, note at this point. It's a buyer's entry, it's a buyer's entry. Okay, this is also winning trade, and this. Okay, place a layer option, and this is a buyer's area. Okay, single candle enter this market. Okay, this is a very strong selling rejection, but single candle not break this levels, very strong support level. So let's see, I will try to record this trade. Okay, actually I took this place a trade higher option, very strong buyers area. This type of single candle not break out this level. Okay, I'll place a lower option, no problem. So I'm expecting make a bearish rejection candle, or next candle also make a bearish candle. Why? Because previously some sellers are very strong rejection at this point. So this point I took this trade only, and this is also downtrend market. Okay, this is also sellers area. This is a rejection point. Okay, this type of ranging market, it's make a very confusion. And previously some selling rejection at this point very strongly. Okay, it's working. Okay, this is also winning trade. Okay, we'll place a 6 trades, all are winning trades, and I hope if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you are interested, joining my Telegram video course. Okay, thank you.